Today I'm going to demonstrate how to prepare fire and ice. Now there's a few different ways to make this shot, so I'm going to show you one of the variations right now. You're going to start off with your shot glass, and it's a layered shot, so you're going to want to get your bar spoon ready. Now we're going to start off by pouring our hot damn, or basically cinnamon schnapps, halfway up into our shot glass, just like such. After that, you're going to want to get your Irish cream and your bar spoon. You're going to want to pierce your cinnamon schnapps, and you're going to pour your Baileys directly onto your bar spoon, just like so, coming all the way up to the top, just like that. So this resembles a lot of different two-part layered shots. You're going to have a nice creamy vanilla chocolate taste with the cinnamon to kick into it right there on the back side of taking that shot. You always want to practice these shots a little bit before you try to bust these out at a bar, because otherwise they might not look so nice, and really it's about the culinary appeal, so enjoy.